polar bear with paper. And for the activity we need plastic crayons, Fevicol, scissors and paper. Paper is given in the book. Let's tear the paper from the book. Fold the paper because we need small squares. Now, fold it to make a ball like this. Crush it and the ball is ready. Make so many balls like this. Apply Fevicol on the polar bear's body. And paste the balls. Have patience while pasting because it will take a little more time to look very nice. Now we will color the fish. Choose any color of your choice to color the fish. We will use orange color in the face with light tone and hard tone in the body of the fish. There is no need to color the rest of the area because polar bear lives in ice. So this is all ice. And the polar bear is ready.